Lipstick on the pig. Took that old switch from 1977 or 72 or something and made it look a little more modern. We're going to make this ugly switch look new without replacing the switch right now. We're going to make this ugly switch look new without replacing the switch right now. So, I've been replacing every switch and every outlet in the entire house throughout my renovation just because they're old. They're most likely original from the late 70s. Some of the outlets have just crumbled in my hand. I swear to you, I unscrew them and they just break apart. The plastic has just met the end of its lifespan. So this switch, I don't have a replacement one for, I guess because this is a double pole. If I turn the lights off here, I can turn them on at the bottom of the stairwell. So I don't have a replacement switch for this one, but I do have some decoration we can put on it. So we're going to decorate it. On the top of this one, it's got these two screws there for 2 wires. It's got a red one, I believe. Bzz, bzz, ow. Looks like it's got a red, black, and a white. Of course, no ground, but I guess they didn't believe in that a long time ago. So let me show you what I'm going to do to make this switch look good. The first thing we're going to do is vacuum out years of dust. I'll tell you what, this little Ryobi vacuum has been one of the best purchases that I've made. All right, and then you can screw it back to the wall since I don't have a switch for this one. But we can't screw it on the wall until we put on the lipstick on the pig, right? Yep, lipstick on the piggy. Textured, and then we got the textured cover to go with it. This guy's going to go on there just like that. It came with some new screws, but I don't know if the new ones are going to be long enough. And no, not long enough. It's all right. So we've got the old screw that has all kinds of paint on it, and it was pretty tough to unscrew earlier. Took the handle off my screwdriver for a second because it makes it easier to twist them in with one hand to get them started. All right, now you can either put the handle on your screwdriver and go like that, or you can take the entire handle out and put it in your drill. Need to leave it a little loose so the cover of the lipstick will fit. And then don't forget our switch was textured, and we got the switch plate cover. This is a extra large one, which is good for renovations and so on. Just in case you get your drywall a little too big or something, you can cover it up with a switch plate cover that's a little bit bigger. just like so, but I want it to fit in there a little tighter. So I'm either going to have to cut some of the drywall to get the switch to go in there deeper, or I'm going to see how much it'll tighten up without breaking it. You know, I textured these walls too, so that's not helping it standing out. You know, I replaced a lot of drywall in here, and I found, being a drywall finisher for the first time ever, that it was easier to texture it than to work on my finishing skills. Almost don't need any screws. I'm going to loosen it up, take my razor blade, and I'm going to cut the drywall a little bit behind it to where I can tighten the screws and they'll suck in there deeper. Lipstick on the pig. Took that old switch from 1977 or 72 or something, and made it look a little more modern.